today we're doing one of my all-time favorite workouts, and that is 400 meter repeats. Hey, what's poppin'? Jordan Thomas here with another workout breakdown. I don't care what phase of training you're in. As a mid-distance runner, 400 meter repeats can be adapted so many different ways. One of the things that I enjoy about running at this point in my life is that a number of PRs are simply just behind me. Like, I don't expect to run my fastest 400 meter anymore, which is like 51 seconds. But it's cool to be able to come out here and just do some repeats as I want to, preparing for a mile, which is something I did not do in high school or college, and so there's definitely a lot for me to gain there. All right, so workout breakdown. So today's workout, 6 to 8 by 400 at, we'll call it a little bit faster than current 5K pace. So I figure like on a day like today, I figure I might could do like 6 minutes per mile. So faster than that for each one. 2 minutes break in between, which will feel glorious. And then if I get into trouble towards the end, I'll do some 200s. So let's get into it. All right, so overall workout for the day, I was able to get through 7. Pace wasn't so much the issue as much as running back and forth gets monotonous, guys. I gotta be honest. Like, I wouldn't have minded doing this workout as much if it wasn't so windy coming back into the last 200. Some people might call it a good strength workout. I would say it's a nuisance when you really just want to rip. Not really ripping so much as just kind of getting acclimated to running again. Took a full week off, no workouts whatsoever, ate whatever it is that I wanted to. And so this is like day 3. I did like a 4-mile run and like a 5-mile run. And so this is my attempt at a sum total of about 6 miles for the day. Overall, yeah, it's definitely like a B type of situation. But it was just fun to do a workout that's familiar. I find that in times of like high stress or high uncertainty, that is really easy for me, and maybe you'll find this for yourself, to find safety in things that give you comfort. Like doing 400 meter repeats, to me, I can do them automatically. I know what to do. I can adjust them. I can make it work for my situation. Plus all the tracks are closed, and so the beach pass, the parkway, the beach, all kinds of things that I usually run on closed. So the neighborhood, more than enough for me. I grew up run on the street literally, and so this for me is familiar. Now I will be honest, like doing a workout like this, 400 meter repeats, it's hard to find like a 400 meter stretch that's like consistent, and I can put my camera in a place where I feel like it's gonna be okay. So I opted for running back and forth in the street that you can see behind me. I've used the street before for doing strides, so I know that I can pretty much go about 200 meters in either direction, which is cool. And but coming back home for the last 200 was definitely into the wind, so I had to like change that up a little bit. I didn't want to move the cameras around, so it was a whole thing. But I want to be able to put this together, provide you some comfort with something that I find comfortable. And I would say to you, one other thing that gives me comfort is pizza. And so I have that to look forward to when I get in the house. And so now the workout's done, I can get some pizza. So I will see you next time. Jordan Thomas, peace. Oh, shoes for the day. Fuelcell Rebel, continue to deliver, baby. And I like that I can warm up, cool down in them, and keep it moving. So that's gonna do it for me. I'll see you next time. Jordan Thomas, peace.